ओम 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 गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुर्मूर्ति पूजामूलं गुरुर्पदं मंत्रमूलं गुरुर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपा। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तमेन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितमेन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति। हरि ओम। Kindly close your eyes. Keep your spine erect, upright and straight, and try to remain calm and quiet. Feel the state of harmony. Feel the state of tranquility, state of calmness. Today we are celebrating the Mother Day, Navratri Puja, the mother of the 9 days worship of the Cosmic Mother. Om Durga Durgarti Samani Durga Padmi Nivarane Durgam Chedine Durga Sadhane Durgado Durganasane Durgado Dvarane Durga Nihantri Durga Mapaha Durgam Jnanada Durga Lokadavanala Durgama Durgama Loka Durga Mata Swarupini Durga Margrapada Durgam Vidya Durgama Sita Durgam Jnana Samsthana Durgam Dhyana Vasini दुर्गमोहा दुर्गमुखा दुर्गमाता स्वरूपिणी दुर्गमा सरसमंत्री दुर्गमा विधारिणी दुर्गमांगी दुर्गमता दुर्गम्या दुर्गमेश दुर्गभीमा दुर्गर्भा दुर्गधारिणी ओम शांति. Think about divine cosmic mother within you, with you. The mother giver of knowledge, giver of wisdom, giver of joy, giver of health, prosperity. Think about mother. Visualize your own mother and feel the divine mother within you, with you. Close your eyes and listen the mantra, the goddess mantra, Devi mantra, and feel the energy, feel the presence of the cosmic mother. नमो दैवे महादैवे शिवाय शतं नमः नमः प्रकृति भद्राय नीताय प्रणतां स्तां रौद्राय नमो नित्याय गोत्रहात्रे नमो नमः ज्योत्स्नाय बिन्दुरूपे सुखाय शतं नमः कल्याणाय प्रणतां बुद्धे सिद्धकुर्मे नमो नमः निरुत्यवतां लक्ष्ये सर्वाय ते नमो नमः दुर्गाय दुर्गपाराय साराय सर्वकाराय ख्याते तथैव कृष्णाय धूम्राय शतं नमः अतिसौम्यादिरौद्राय नस्ता तस्यै नमो नमः नमो जगत्प्रतिष्ठाय दुर्गते नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विष्णुमायते सद्गता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु चित्तनित्याभिधीयते नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु निद्रारूपेण संस्थिता सुधारूपेण संस्थिता छायारूपेण स्थिता शक्तिरूपेण स्थिता तृष्णारूपेण स्थिता जातिरूपेण स्थिता लज्जारूपेण स्थिता शान्तिरूपेण स्थिता सद्यारूपेण स्थिता कान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मीरूपेण संस्थिता वृत्तिरूपेण स्थिता स्मृतिरूपेण स्थिता दयारूपेण स्थिता तृष्णरूपेण स्थिता मातृरूपेण स्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु भ्रान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः इन्द्रियाणाम् अधिष्ठात्री भूतानां चाकुलस्या भूतेषु सत्त्वं तस्य वाप्यदेवे नमः चित्रूपना कृषेत व्यापेत चारुः नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। ओम सं नो मित्रः सं नो वरुणः सं नो बृहस्पतिर्मः सं इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः सं नो विष्णुरुक्रमः। नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वाय। त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मावतु तदुक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम शांति। जय दुर्गा लक्ष्मी सरस्वती जय दुर्गा लक्ष्मी सरस्वती जय 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 अम्बे भवानी माँ जय जय अम्बे भवानी माँ जय दुर्गे लक्ष्मी सरस्वती जय दुर्गे लक्ष्मी सरस्वती जय 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 अम्बे भवानी माँ जय जगदम्बे भवानी माँ जय दुर्गा लक्ष्मी सरस्वती जय दुर्गा लक्ष्मी सरस्वती जय 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 अम्बे भवानी माँ जय 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 भवानी माँ लक्ष्मी माँ दुर्गे माँ। ओम शांति। हरि ओम तत्सत। ओपन योर eyes. Hari Om. May the Divine Mother, Cosmic Mother, bless you, guide you, inspire you. Today, 9th worship, third day of the Divine Mother. Every day we worship that Mother, Cosmic Mother, who gave up everything what we did in life. Without Mother, we don't exist. In the Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, Trinity, they also worship that Cosmic Divine Mother, Tripura Sundari. She gave everything. First she appeared as a Durga. The Divine Mother Durga, eliminate of, giver of all strength and courage. Divine Mother Lakshmi, giver of wealth and prosperity. Divine Mother Saraswati, giver of knowledge and wisdom. Divine Mother Gauri, Shiva and Shakti. The mother appear in different form. A tradition we have in India. Shiva and Shakti, Radha and Krishna, Sita and Ram, Brahma and Saraswati, Vishnu, Lakshmi. The Divine Mother is very powerful presence within her. My love, my prayer and good wishes with all of you. Think about Shakti. Bhakti, Shakti and Yukti. Bhakti means the unconditional love. Shakti, the energy. Yukti, the liberation. Mukti, the liberation. We liberate. Divine Mother liberate all obstacles. Without Shakti, we cannot move, we cannot hear, we cannot listen, we cannot walk, we cannot digest food, we cannot eat the food. And Shakti is everywhere. In our house there is electricity. And the house we have different kind of instrument. We have computer, we have telephone, we have freezer, we have air conditioner, everything is there. They work. But without the power, electricity, they cannot work. Every word is the Shakti of the Divine Mother. The Shakti of energy. The worshipping the energy, form of Durga, form of Lakshmi, Saraswati. When a difficulty of the economic difficulty, say the mantra Om Shri Lakshmi Namaha. When we have difficulty, knowledge and wisdom, utter Saraswati, Hey Ma Saraswati, Hey Divine Mother Saraswati, Durga Saraswati. So, we are very happy feeling the presence of the Mother. Mother, Matru Deva Bhava. The Mother is the first God. Universal cosmic Mother, Madre Divino, está dentro de usted. El Madre primero Dios. The first Mother keep us 9 months. We are all come from Mother. We are 9 months at prison. Who help you to take a form. Look, when the baby born, we have wonderful eyes, ear, nose, mouth, finger, head, and whole body. How the creation takes place. ¿Cómo se usted crece nuevamente, madre se expand the baby? Who make that beautiful being 9 months totally? Without that energy, I know some our mother sitting here. And when the baby born, baby don't have name. And when the baby born, first connected the first breath, prana. And the baby born, we give the name. Name and form we give. And that first prana is still going on right now. Prana and apana. Prana, apana, vyana, samana, and udana. This 5 kind of prana we have. The energy which inhale, prana. Energy exhale, prana. The energy help you to remain conscious. Sleep, the energy. Energy movement of the eyelid. Listen the ear, it talking. Prana, apana. Vyana, samana, udana. The 5 prana. Form of Shakti. Then 5 upaprana. Kurma. Devdatta. All this prana, upaprana, the miracle of prana, upaprana, we survive. And energy come from the mother. We give external thing. Just like explaining, your house electricity there, in the cable run. Cable you can see, but electricity you cannot touch, invisible. One day, one person went to his Guruji, and disciple asked his Guruji, he said, Guruji, Swamiji, have you seen the God? Do you believe in the God? He said, yes, I see the God. Can you show me the God? And the Guru asked the disciple, I have a question. You have a dream last night? Yes. Can you show me your dream? The disciple say, Swamiji, I cannot show my dream. The dream is come when I sleep. They said, God appeared within you. The Divine Mother appeared with you when you are pure, humble, simple, joyful, contentment. You just like a little baby, pure baby born. God manifest. Divine Mother manifest. We are human being, give only external material thing, what we see and what we look. That's why we create that kind of suffering, happiness, sadness, nervousness, desire. My dear friend, human life is precious life. To be a human being, God has given human life. The purpose of life, do good thing for the world. Be good and do good. Be humble and simple. Be joyful. Life, time. Don't spend your prana, the breath, for necessary thinking, worries, and preoccupation. To talk, to think, you need the prana. To walk with the prana. Thinking negative thing. Destroy your Shakti, the energy. God has given you the Divine Mother work invisible every moment. Without Cosmic Mother, we cannot exist. So, Divine Father, Cosmic Father, Lord Shiva, Satyam Shivam Sundaram. God is truth, always truth. And God we call Sat Chit Ananda. The nature of the God, Sat, always truth, divine, Chit, consciousness, Ananda, the bliss. Who don't want peace? Who don't want peace? Everyone searching for peace. But peace always there. Joy always there. You don't have to find. Believe on the miracle of God. Every second happen. Go to the garden and see wonderful flower blooming. The birds singing. That miracle. Beautiful rose flower. Different kind of flower. The mango tree blooming and give mango. The orange tree, lemon tree, banana tree, coconut tree. And that trees, every tree, land is the same but different kind of taste of the tree. The lemon taste different, mango taste different, banana taste different, and papaya taste different. Who put that kind of this one? God exists, not external but invisible. If you surrender to the will of God, if you discover the divine within you, your life will be a beautiful garden and you will be peace within. What is the purpose of knowing all this knowledge and wisdom? We read the book, we listen the lecture, we listen the scripture, we listen with the ear. What we hear, we talk from the mouth. The property of the mouth to talk, property ear, the duty of ear to listen. Listening and talking. What you listen, the good thing, wonderful thing, you can talk the same thing. We listen so many negative things, worries, preoccupation, news, bombarding the news. I'm not against computer news, television news, but you are listening all bombarding. You cannot change what you have in the world, but you can change the quality of life. You can be happy, contentment, and human being can do what he want to do. But we neglect your Shakti, the energy. I will sing one wonderful thing. Bhakti prem karuna, 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 bhakti prem karuna. Bhakti prema karuna, bhakti prema karuna, bhakti prema karuna, bhakti prema karuna. Bhakti, the devotion, the love, total surrender. Sugar put in the milk became sweet. put your ego external and develop that kind of connection to the God and that bhakti, the devotion, unconditional love. Bhakti, prem, love, unconditional, karuna, compassion. Develop that kind of karuna within, that compassion. You will be happy in this life. You know, talk less, speak less, talk necessary. Unnecessary talking too much, you spend energy. Thinking unnecessary thing, you kill your energy. Talk less. Talk the truth. Satyam vadam. Speak the truth, any condition. Dharmam charan. That is real nature. Dharmam charan. Follow the simple rule of life and you can change the quality of life. When you celebrate any celebration, every day the Mother Day, every day the good God, what are they? We call Tvameva Mata cha Pita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhu cha Sakha Tvameva Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva. This is quotation from Bhagavad Gita. Tvameva Matas. Oh God, you are my mother. Pita, you are my father. Tvameva Mata cha Pita Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva. You are everything for me. But we don't have awareness, a concept of the divine God. God sent us and He will take it. The life starts when you born, Janma. Mrityu means Maran, the death. The two shore. The life is just river flowing. Purpose of river to emerge in the ocean. The Divine Mother Ganga, a holy river. Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati, three rivers. Ira, Pingala, Sushumna. Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati. Ganga comes, Gangotri, Yamunotri for Himalaya. And they call Bhagirathi Ganga. Lord Shiva, on his head the Ganga come and go to the feet of Lord Narayana. Ganga. I went to Gangotri, Yamunotri. Haridwar go and Prayagraj, Allahabad se meet Ganga, Jamuna together and born Saraswati. Saraswati invisible. Ganga, Jamuna. Jamuna river, play of the Lord Krishna. Jamuna river. Ira, Pingala. Ganga, Jamuna. Saraswati invisible. Ira, Pingala, Saraswati. Physical, mental. Ira, Pingala. Sushumna is invisible. So peace is invisible, my dear friend. Joy invisible. You don't have to know too much thing to have peace. The intellectual knowledge, listening and talking and knowing is wonderful thing. But knowledge from the head, peace from the heart. Mother, love from the heart. Your mother gives you life. Respect her. I was very lucky. I got a wonderful mother. She left the body age of 92. She inspired me to come this path. Divine Mother Radha, Divine Mother Janki Sita, Divine Mother Lakshmi, Divine Mother Saraswati, Durga, Kali. Pray, pray and pray without asking anything. When spiritual places, go in temple, masjid, synagogue, go there with pure heart. Don't ask, don't make demand. Mother know everything what you need it. But when you ask, you limit it. You limit it. Because mother, everything know what you need it. Then why you ask? तेरो नाम ओमकार, तेरो नाम ओमकार, तेरो नाम ओमकार, तेरो नाम ओमकार, तेरो नाम ओमकार। तू सत तू चित आनंद तू ही, तू सत तू चित आनंद तू ही, तू अपार निराकार 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 निर्विकार निराकार निर्विकार। बिंदु तू ही सिंधु तू ही, तू अपार तेरो नाम ओमकार। तू ही ब्रह्म तू ही विष्णु तू ही राम तू ही कृष्ण, तू ही बुद्ध तू ही जीस, निराकार निर्विकार तेरो नाम ओमकार, तेरो नाम ओमकार। तू ही गगन तू ही पवन, अति आनंद तेरो नाम ओमकार, तेरो नाम ओमकार, तेरो नाम ओमकार। तू अपार तेरो नाम ओमकार। Your name is infinite. God don't have name, don't have form. The energy has form. We go, we expect form and formless. We are formless, this physical body. But our soul, our spirit, our Atma, there is no form. The moment we die, what happened? This physical body remain in this world. What physical body? This body composed Annamay kosh, Pranamay kosh, Vijnanamay kosh, Anandamay kosh, Manmay kosh. This physical body, when prana is not there, Shakti is not there, remain here. And they go original state. The prana. Mahaprana live, the physical remain. We attach to the physical body. We attach a physical thing. This is my house, this is my car, this is my mother, my father, my brother, my. And they increase this my ego. I am. I and my. Finish with I and my and said, we are. Be formless one. Every day experience that infinite energy within you and change the correct life. The body, what we see, is not permanent. Jaguru Shankaracharya, Adhiguru says, Jagat Mithya Brahma Satya. What we see, that's not reality. Dream we see, that's not reality. We form. In dream you saw mountain, the car, the this and this and this, and when you wake, everything finished. So when you see daytime, what we see in the daytime, that is truth. So what we see in the dream, that is true. Truth is always permanent. That is called Satyam Vasan. Truth. The peace is the truth. Shakti the truth. And never away from us. come in conclusion. I want peace in this life. I want good relation surround me. I cannot change the people what they want to talk and what they want to sing. My Guru Satyapanam used to say, Brahma adjust and adapt. How much you do good thing, you cannot happy other people. And they cannot make you happy. Learn, adjust and adapt. Accept ajuste. Todo lo que tú sabes, tú no puedes hacer feliz a nadie. Yo no puedes feliz. Acepta tal como es. When there is too much cold, what you need? Cover the clothes. When it's too much hot, what you need it? Put air conditioner. Too much rain in the outside, you need the umbrella. This is the nature created. Man, apman, respect, disrespect, like, dislike. Whatever happens in the world, take it as a gift of God. When a happy moment, when you fulfill it, suffering, calamity, also learn to adjust and adapt the situation. Suffering, part of life. Death is part of life. Quiero tomar un poco aguacito. I know everyone is speaking English and Spanish. Voy a tomar un poco agua. Agua means jal, pani. And there is one language in Calcutta, Bengal, says jal khaibo, pani pibo. Jal khaibo means water you drink, but they call jal khaibo. You drink the water. You choose the water. Water, when you drink, put something and then take swallow inside. Jal khaibo, pani pibo. This is Bengal language. In India, we have so many languages. 16 major languages in India. 884 dialects. I speak more than 8 languages from India. Maharashtra, Marathi. I'm from Maharashtra, Bombay. Marathi language. Hindi, Gujarati, Bengali. I was in Orissa. I live Orissa. Aaj trahe karo Gurudev Janamihari ho. Oriya language. Language of love. Sanskrit language. All the scriptures written in Vedanta, Upanishad and Puranas in Sanskrit language. Now they translate English. English is our language because we live in this part of the world. India, Parliament got 16 language and they translate English. But language of love, language of the heart, that understand the God in you. If you want to have a, doesn't matter which language you say. You call water English, jal in Hindi, pani in Sanskrit, agua in Spanish. But water is the water. Doesn't matter what you call. The God has different name, but God is the divine Shakti, the power. My life, bliss within, joy within. Too much intellectual, too much knowing the book knowledge. It's okay, nothing wrong. Now I don't like to read so much thing. I like to sing and listen the kirtan and satsang, and I feel happy. Not knowing the difference between knowing and experiencing. When you suffer unhappiness, you suffer. No one can suffer. जिसकी सुख दुखी ओई जाने, बिरला हो क्या पहचाने. When he's suffering, you suffer. No one can suffer for you. When you're happy, you are happy. The same as bliss you can be have every day. 24 hours you cannot be angry with someone. You cannot maintain 24 hours. Yes? No. But 24 hours you can be happy and contentment. Santosa, contentment 24. Visual life is very simple life. I became a Swami because not I want to, this is my destiny, that's my karma. The 3 types of karma. Sanchit karma, Kriyaman karma and prarabdha karma. The karma divided in three karma. The Kriyaman, every day, every life, what kind of karma you do, good or bad action. You cannot be unhappy other people, you cannot be happy. Giving trouble other person, you cannot be happy. So, Kriyaman karma means current karma, what you do, whole life, whole day, every day. Live life is a one day. Do good Kriyaman karma. Then accumulate in Sanchit karma, accumulation of that karma. And Prarabdha means past life. What you live in this life, the Prarabdha. One person born as a queen, and suddenly their son become princess. That is a good Prarabdha. One person born poor family, doing good karma, he become rich. Sorry. So three kind of karma. Kriyaman, regular karma every day. Sanchit, accumulated. Prarabdha, past life. They do the good, everyday good karma, good action, good looking, good hearing, good listening. Read the good thing. Sing the good thing. So that's why law of karma, cause and effect. What the karma you do, what speak, what listen, what talk, that accumulated everything. You 1 month you work, end of the month you get the money and put a bank. Then whole life making. Yesterday I got a check, $10 million. I become, wow, $10 million. Then I saw 1000000. I'm happy, got $10 million. I'm a multi-million person. And I finding there, and I called the person. I got his check, $10 million. But one thing, you are not signed the check. He says, Swamiji, this is sacred donation. That's why I cannot sign. I give you my love. I said, intention of the 10 million, then writing the check. So without sign, the 10 million no value. So value and devaluation we do. But intention is good, 10 million. Then I convert 10 million peace. I become happy, 10 million joy, 10 happiness. Material, money in the bank only. You don't need. One person, a rich person, he has lot of nice everything and he has nice food. He was eat the wonderful food. Nice sweet. And he went, the doctor tell him, my dear friend, you have diabetes, you cannot eat this sweet. Food was there, rich was there, but stomach is don't allow to eat this sweet. The life, not what you want, what you need. God give you needy thing, but human being is measurable by his own karma, own action or deed. The word, thought and deed. What you act, what you think, and what you do. 3. Word, thought and deed. Do good action. Action. Sometimes people think something, do something, act something. There is no coordination, that's not karma. So Sanchit, current karma, Kriyaman karma, and Sanchit and Prarabdha. What we live in this life. I become a Swami. That is my good Prarabdha. I live my family, but you are part of family. They have blood relation, but you have love relation. God, you know love letter? You have love with the word. You call me. You talk with me. The God has, you should feel love with the God. Love with the Divine Mother. Hey Lakshmi Mata, give me wealth and prosperity. I will live the process, good well-being everyone. Some people are too much, they don't know how to give. Funny thing I am telling. This is the real thing happened yesterday. I went to yesterday, put the gas in my car, and I put $10 gas, and I went to park, and then I said the receipt $11, and one day said return donation. I back to the gas station. I said, what is the $1? He said donation. I said, you are not asked me. Donation. Give me $1. And then she tried to explain me philosophy of $1. I said, I don't want to negotiate my piece of $1. That belongs to them, take it. The little thing, take your peace. Little thing, peace your joy. Little thing, action. To every action perform unity win. You have to be cautious. Awareness. The spiritual night, not just like doing meditation and thinking and talking, listening. Be a practical life of joyful, happy. Be alive. Oh my God. I have 30 seconds left. Can you believe? This is of Swami Jagadguru Shankaracharya. Shivoham, realization. Lord Shankar Shiva. He represented Lord Shankaracharya. We belong to that tradition, Shankaracharya. Saraswati Sampradaya, we belong. Tirtha and different kind of tradition. So Shankaracharya, he, age of 23, he realized, and he founded 4 ashrama. Read about Adhyaru Shankaracharya, a great yogi. And he read that one about soul. Shivoham, 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 Vahi Atma Satchidanandamay hu, Amaratma Satchidanandamay hu, Vahi Atma, I am that soul, Satchidanand, I am the truth, I am the bliss, Atma. अमर आत्मा है, अमर आत्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हूँ. My soul is immortal and I am that सच्चिदानंद. अखिल विश्व का जो परमात्मा है, सभी प्राणियों का वही आत्मा है. अखिल विश्व का, whole universe is within me. Each and every being that Atma registered. The bird, the tree, the plant, the fish, the human being, anybody, all the Atma is the same, the soul is the same. Even the ants, even the kukaracha, you don't like, but they have the soul. God has given every soul. Amaratma hai maranashila kaya. Amar Atma, soul is immortal, body is mortal, soul never dies. So, सभी प्राणियों का, each and every being that Atma live, the Atma, the soul live everywhere. The tree has a soul. Tree, mango tree is a mango give. And when the mango is ready, he says, eat my children. And mango eat, he become happy. Take the flower, and you take the flower, the rose flower you like. Atma, the soul is everywhere. जिसे शस्त्र काटे न अग्नि जलावे, बुझावे न पानी न मृत्यु मिटावे. शस्त्र काट, weapon cannot cut, fire cannot burn, water cannot wait, and the death cannot destroy. This is the soul. जिसे शस्त्र काटे न अग्नि जलावे, बुझावे न पानी न मृत्यु मिटावे. जो व्यापक है, कण कण में है वास जिसका, तीनों कालों, he is everywhere soul, and he is always you can destroy. अजर और अमर जिसको वेदों ने गाया, यही गायन अर्जुन को हरि ने सुनाया. This is the sing the Vedas, and this Lord has given Lord Krishna to his first disciple Arjuna. Read. Every yoga teacher should be read Bhagavad Gita, Song of God, Bhagavad Gita include karma, bhakt, vishad yoga, karma yoga, bhakti yoga, jnana yoga, raj yoga, and moksha yoga. Teacher has to study properly Bhagavad Gita. Another book I will read, Patanjali Yoga Sutra, to test about understanding the knowledge and wisdom and the God, Bhagavad Gita and Yoga Sutra. So this is the Shivoham Shivo, I am that, I am that, I am the divine. Sometime I speak, you will understand, and sometime you will not understand. I don't want to understand, think and realize. To listening, my word is not immediately understand. I am putting a seed in mind, seed of love, seed of joy, seed of happiness. Learn to smile, smile every situation. Hasso, hasso, hasso means smile, 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 and change the quality. Don't cry and don't make cry. How much difficult to such can try to love the situation. Some situation come, like now I will sing prayer Gurudev Nivedan. हे मेरे गुरुदेव करुणा सिंधु करुणा कीजिए हो अधम आधीन शरण अब शरण में लीजिए खा रहा गोता हूँ मैं भव सिंधु के सागर में आसरा है दूसरा न कोई अब संसार में मुझ में है जप तपन साधन और नहीं कुछ ज्ञान है निर्लज्जा है एक बाकी और सब अभिमान है गुरुदेव मेरे जब पास करे जब आस करूँ किसकी गुरुदेव मेरे सच्चानंद की जय गुरुदेव मेरे शिवानंद की जय. The last thing, Divine Mother will help. You must have a proper Sadguru. Under the guidance of the Guru, your life will be easy to drive. Always you need the pilot to manage the plane. You sit in the plane and your destination come, you have to leave that plane and go. You are in Miami and you want to go New York. You buy a ticket and you sit in the plane. Destination come to New York, you have to, the plane you leave and start walking. You buy ticket just like sitting and pilot is managing that. The same as we are sitting in the worldly plane. We are sitting 50, 60, 70 years. Time come, leave this place and just go. This is life, short life. Life is just like a one drop. Life is called soda water. You know, you open the bottle and bubble come. The life is just like a live life, meaningful, joyful, happy. Karuna Devi, you look clean though. How is your mom doing? Yes. Good?
Yeah, good.
I like your name, Karuna Devi. Say one word.
Thank you.
Liana, one word.
Shanti.
Yoga Priya, one word. One word. I cannot hear. Una palabra. Una palabra. Ram Rahim, una palabra.
Compassion.
Jennifer, una palabra.
Happiness.
Lakshmi, invisible Lakshmi, or Divine Mother Goddess Lakshmi, una palabra.
Joy.
Thank you. You sent me 10 million. You are the one who sent me $10 million. Now I know, my God. You sent me $10 million. Thank you for $10 million. Jorgito.
He said happiness.
Who?
Jorge.
Carmen, one word. Yamani.
Release.
Bliss. Who is remain? Mónica. ¿Qué planeta mi niña? Una palabra. ¿Ah? Peace. Come on. Venga, los dos. Okay. Say something, one kirtan.
Hari Om Namah Shivaya.
Hari Om Namah Shivaya.
Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya.
Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya.
Namah Shivaya.
Namah
Namah Shivaya.
Shivaya, Namah Shivaya.
Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya.
Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya.
Hari Om.
This is the Jamuna river. You know Jamuna river coming from there. We have Shanti river coming. You know Shanti river? This is Shanti.
Shanti River.
You know her. Her name is Shanti. Peace. She's coming just now from Colombia, Barranquilla.
Barranquillera.
Dile algo bonito ahí.
Estoy feliz de estar aquí al lado de su amigi, estar en el Arran con Yamuna. Gracias.
Ella vino sin comer nada y cocino comida. She come and cook the nice food. Now you will say why you are not coming to food. You are welcome, eat and food. You come, cook, come, eat and cook. And give me what you cook. Abdullah is coming tomorrow, 10 in the morning. His plane is coming from Indian Airline. He's coming from Indian Airline from Trinidad to Miami. You know, when I do the program, I enjoy. Not because what I talk. This program is just like to see your wonderful face. You make me happy. This program finished because you make a happy, because you're a happy person. Give the happy, give the peace and receive the peace. This wonderful life. Sea feliz, sea contento, alegre. Vida es alegre, no importa qué pasa. Don't concentrate what happened negative thing in the life. This is the life. Life, day and night, hot and cold, pleasure and the pain. But live Shanti. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om. God, oh Lord, give me peace, oh Lord, give me joy, and the peace, and the peace, and the peace, peace. Om Shanti, Om Shanti. This is sing God's name and be happy. Yoga is not putting information in the brain, you open the heart. That's why yoga is heart, and yoga is the Divine Mother. The mother, I visited one place called Vaishno Devi Temple, Lord, Himalaya Devi Temple of Divine Mother, Vaishno Devi. Very powerful. And feel so happy. Thousands of people in temple today and worship the God. Worship feeling one with the God, one with the Divine Mother. So I pray, let Divine Mother Lakshmi give you wealth and prosperity. Divine Mother Saraswati give knowledge and wisdom. The Divine Mother Durga give the strength and courage. Gauri Mata, Divine Mother give. Lucretia is Sita Mata. She don't like, she's wonderful. Lucretia name, she's from planet of Santo Domingo. And she's a wonderful soul. She went to India with me, with her whole family, Haridwar. ¿Quiere algo hablar alguien? Anyone want to talk with it, something? You're willing to talk about mother? ¿Alguna pregunta? ¿Algún comentario? Anything you want to talk something? Devananda, you're a wonderful person. You write a book. You should write the book starting from today. You're a good writer. I saw you revise, you do for Jamuna Devi. Wonderful. You're a good writer. Your daughter and son, they call me. I said, how you become my dad, Devananda? Your son and daughter say to me. You give name and you're not give my name. You know your daughter and son, they call me.
Really?
Yes, they have telephone with the invisible, they call me invisible way. Don't tell my mother and father I talk with you. So start writing on the book every day, okay? Next year we publish your book. Promise me writing the book?
Hmm?
Start writing the book from today.
Write about what?
Joy and happiness. Life is joy, life is peace, life is happiness, life is love. Life is joy, life is peace.
I wrote a song.
Okay,
I'm starting.
okay. Mónica, ¿dónde vive usted, mi niña?
I'm from Guatemala.
Ay, Guatemala, planeta Guatemala. Planeta Guatemala, ¿no? Sí. Ay, yo estaba ahí, no me encontró. Yo estaba ahí en 94. No me encontró usted. Yo estaba... Ay, mi niña. No estaba pero durmiendo usted. Está durmiendo cuando yo fui. Cuando fue a Guatemala usted está durmiendo. Ah, Dios te bendiga. Mucha bendición. Anything want to say something? I pray for people from Spain and Isla de your place and for all the things. It happened, it meant to happen. Jwalamukhi they call. When interrupt of the nature interrupt, dancing Lord Shiva, they make it dance. Something happen for the good. Negative, worry, preoccupation, sign of something will happen good. Mother give the birth of the baby. It's a pain. But that pain bring the new life, the birth baby. So on the life suffering part of learning, anything happen, we have to learn the situation, the God has given the thing. That's why we are here. This planet has something up and down. Om Sri Durgaya Namaha. Om Sri Mahalakshmi Namaha. Om Saraswati Namaha. Om Adya Shakti Namaha. Om Vaishno Devi Namaha. Om Gauri Matai Namaha. Om Durga Matai Namaha. Om Durgaya Namaha. Om Durgaya Namaha. Om Durgaya Namaha. Om Durgaya Namaha. Om Durga Durgati Same Durga Padmini Varani Durgam Chedini Durga Sadini Durga Nasani Durga Dodvarani Durga Nihantri Durga Mapa Durgam Gyanada Durgama Durgama Loka Durgatapani Durgama Durgam Gyana Samstana Durgam Dhyanavasani Durgamoha Durgamata Durgamata Swarabini Durgama Srasamantri Durgama 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 Om Kapta Vitame Kanna Kumari Tanna Durga Prachodayat. Hari Om Tasat, thank you, Hari Om. Thank you. Gracias, Hari Om.